Hello students, let's start with chapter 1 number system. I have divided this chapter into two parts for your convenience. Part 1 is theory and part 2 will contain numerical calculations that we will learn later. So now let's start with part 1. Topics to be covered in this chapter are number system, types of number system, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Now let's start. What is number system? In earlier days, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with fingers, stones, pebbles, and sticks. But as we all know that these methods were not adequate and had many limitations. So, to overcome these limitations, many number systems were introduced. Before moving further, I have one question for you. Which number system do we use in our day-to-day life? Answer is very simple, the decimal number system. Yes students, this number system we all are using in maths subject. Now, what is number system in computer? Computer does not understand human language because it is arbitrary. But numbers are not arbitrary, and that is why we prefer numbers to communicate with computers and machines. So if you want to communicate with the computer, you require number system. So there are four ways we can represent the number, and that will be the types of number system. There are basically four types of number system. Number 1, decimal number system. Number 2, binary number system. Number 3, octal number system. And number 4, hexadecimal number system. So in this chapter, we will learn all the four number systems one by one. Before moving ahead, let's clear something. What is base or radix in number system? The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. Students, please remember this definition. Now, the value of each digit in a number depends upon the following: the face value of the digit, the base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. Each position represents specific power of the base. The rightmost digit of a number is called least significant bit, and the leftmost digit of a number is called most significant bit. So students, remember these: what is LSB and what is MSB. Now, let's start with decimal number system. This number system is used by us. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal numbers. It consists of 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9, that we all know. Now, the base of the decimal number system is 10. Why 10? Because it consists of 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. So that is why the base of the decimal number system is 10. This all we know in maths subject. Now let us understand with the help of example. See, I have a number 547 as 7 is rightmost bit it is known as LSB. 5 is leftmost bit, that is why it is known as MSB. This is simple maths. The positional value of each digit increases 10 folds as we move from right to left. In the mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face values and their place values are hundreds, tens and units respectively. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. So here the complete answer is 547. I know that all of you know this concept as we all are learning in the maths subject. Okay? So now let's move ahead. The second number system is binary number system. See, computer cannot understand human language. It only understands binary code. So this is the only number system that computer understands. The data that is entered into a computer is converted into its binary equivalent. It consists of two digits, that is 0 and 1. As it consists of only two digits, the base of the binary number system is 2. Remember, the base of the binary number system is 2. Why 2? Because it consists of only two digits, that is 0 for off and 1 for on. Now let's start with octal number system. The concept is come from Native Americans. They used to count numbers by using the space between their fingers. It consists of 8 digits, that is from 0 to 7. As it consists of 8 digits, so its base is 8. So remember, what is the base of octal number system? Here the answer is 8. Okay? So for each of the number system, you have to remember the base. Now moving ahead, let's start with hexadecimal number system. This number system is known as hex. It consists of numbers and letters. It consists of 16 digits, that is from 0 to 9, and letters A to F, where A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14, F is equal to 15. As it consists of 16 digits, so the base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. So what is the base of this number system? 16. Now know the fact. Humans mostly use the decimal number system because humans have 10 fingers on their hands. Computer system uses binary number system because it has two states, on that is equal to 1 and off that is equal to 0. That is the binary code. Octal number system was invented by Native Americans as they use space between fingers for calculations. Hexadecimal number system is used by computer system designers and programmers. So now here our chapter ends. I hope that your all concepts cleared. Now let's start with quick quiz. See, name the scientist who introduced the concept of zero. It is very easy. Aryabhat. Okay. Which number system do we use in our day-to-day life? Decimal number system. Which number system has 8 as its base? Very easy. Octal number system. Why do we use binary number system in computer? Because computer understands only binary code. Here our chapter ends. Thank you for watching my video.